Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D's Star TV News Time. Today's headline: more troubles for Rochas Okorocha in Imo State. Shehu Sani begs Niger Delta militants. Remember, say Rochas Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma, the present governor of Imo State, that is the hopeless Hope himself, when know how to intimidate his predecessor. This is going to be really trouble for Rochas Okorocha, since Hope Uzodinma no one back down. Hope Uzodinma dey claim say he don't get nod from Muhammadu Buhari to begin to prosecute Rochas Okorocha and his ill-gotten properties. But Uzodinma, you should not forget, say when you come down, if at all one Nigeria continue, the person when go climb there will continue to probe you. Nothing say the thing when you do to Okorocha, say you will go scot-free, because everybody know Hope Uzodinma as a criminal. He is a 419 man. When just get luck, buy his way, enter politics. Can't know their Buhari, know all this wuru men. No. If you not be wuru person in Nigeria, I don't tell them, say you not feel become anything in that country. You not feel run for any political position in Nigeria. You cannot run for any single political position in that country. You don't clear to everybody now, see, now criminals, now then they run the governments. No matter the kind of university where you go or the kind of qualification, if you are not a criminal, if you are not a bado, you cannot become anything in that country. If you are not a terrorist, you don't know how to loot, you don't know how to kill, you don't know how to rob, you can't be anything in that country. You can't run for any political position in Nigeria. So politics is made for criminals. Okorocha na criminal. The other one, Hope Uzodinma na criminal. So I don't tell Hope Uzodinma what I tell and say, make you not feel say when they don't do Okorocha all these things, when they do. Then when it don't come down, say people, if at all, say people no go program, may not say you no go they no go do I'm waiting in the route to Okorocha, because this is serious public disgrace and intimidation. Not be say with the fee for Okorocha, I just they tell Hope Uzodinma say making wait for his turn, because the time when he go come down from that position, the next person when go enter go follow up. The same thing when he do Okorocha, he must to visit them. Now so it be. So the news that they tell us, say the man when be the so-called hopeless Hope, when sabi how to invite army come killing people in Olu or in Imo State. This one a big trouble, ladies and gentlemen. Make we read a little bit. May we see how they take the nyan the matter, because they say more than 10 Okorocha's properties. Now him, Hope Uzodinma and his gang don't target. Remember, saying when Okorocha did there, Okorocha intimidated a lot of people. Okay, a lot of people. Okorocha intimidated them seriously because of power. Even Okorocha, now still the same thing, the same intimidation. Now him Okorocha still become senator. All of us see what happen. Even one man when be INEC officer, though we know say all of them now wuru people. The man come and talk say Okorocha, intimidated him, and they put a gun on his head and they tell us to make it say Okorocha win, and so he can't satisfy and say Okorocha win the election. Whereas Okorocha go court can't clarify see that Okorocha still win the case. All of us know what happened now, 2019 now. So, exclusive Imo government target over 10 corruptly acquired properties to recover from Okorocha. Sahara reporters, top sources within the Imo state government claimed that Uzodinma had got President Muhammadu Buhari nod to go on. The clash between Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State and his predecessor and serving Senator Okorocha may have just begun, as the state government has listed more than 10 properties corruptly acquired by Okorocha and billed to be recovered. Top sources within the Imo state government claim that Uzodinma had got President Muhammadu Buhari's nod to go on with the trial of Rochas Okorocha, and the state government had several properties to recover from the embattled senator. Only last week, the state government moved with the seizure of the Royal Palm Estate on Akachi Road, Owerri, sealing the place until further notice. The police in Imo State had on Sunday arrested and detained Okorocha for allegedly destroying government and security vehicles and also breaking into a property the government had seized. The State Commissioner for Land, Enyinaya Onugbo, had on Friday said the government had recovered the estate allegedly belonging to the senator's wife. He had said the seizure was in compliance with the directive of the Imo State Gazette on the report of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry on the recovery of land and other related matters. Okorocha had on Sunday stormed the estate and warned Uzodinma and security operatives to stay off the property. Okorocha was later released by the police, saying he was asked to go after an intervention from the presidency in Abuja. Tuesday, the state government moved again to demolish the Rich FM, a media house reportedly owned by Okorocha's daughter and son-in-law in Owerri, the state capital. Man, this is not a small battle. We don't tell us say una go continue to battle. They watch like the way where they watch movie. Okay. Now, how I don't understand how Nigerian people they behave. Then they tell us say them be wise men, they want peace in Nigeria, they want unity in Nigeria. Every time then they come, they disgrace themselves in public. Somebody when want peace in a country where you want peace, as a governor when they claim say you want peace, you want to restore peace, you want to restore that. Now you don't move on to demolish a property belonging to the daughter of your predecessor. But they claim say you want peace. Okay, again, by demolishing a home or a house or a radio station or whatever that belongs to somebody, how does it? How is it going to bring peace in the country or in the state? Or what is the meaning of that? So that place now, when one don't demolish already, according to the news, say they don't demolish the place, belonging to Okorocha's daughter and his son-in-law. Una now fit use them, leave that building there, maybe use them do school, or use them do something important for the people of the states. I don't understand the meaning of all this demolish. Now, so Wike last year demolished a lot of hotels, but people they go school inside, children they go school inside forest, primary school students, children. I mean they call them pupils. They are not get where they study. If you go Olu today now, you go Igbo land today now, you go in Imo State itself, if you get to where they go, people they go school, you go shake your head. Why demolishing the place? Why demolishing the hotel? Una fit use the hotel as a government, property. Leave the hotel there. What is the meaning of all this demolition? It doesn't make any sense. And una when be APC people, una they preach peace. Now so they go carry army go Olo, but every day they claim say they want peace. It's the same purpose of them man. They claim say in one piece because IPOB people they don't scatter everywhere. Then they bring disunity in the state. So how now going to bomb people? How is he bringing in peace in the state? So all the whole things where they do in that country are upside down. Everything, one of the whole governors, the whole ministers, the whole sons, the whole lawyers, the president, they do everything are upside down. Now they do them in Nigeria. So because I don't know waiting hopes of them and his cronies go gain when they demolish a full building. When somebody don't develop, even though, okay, now una they claim now say na money when belongs to government they build them, which everybody knows is not true. So by demolishing the house now, does it bring the money back to the public pocket or to the government pocket? No. You are creating a serious problem for yourself. Hope. We not the support to Okorocha because we don't tell Okorocha say all those money where they claim say na billionaire, na rob public treasury. The same hope was of them even before he become governor, when they give the man contracts, the contract in not do the contracts. Okay. So billions of dollars, millions of dollars, na him who put them chucking before he become this Supreme Court governor of Imo State. I'm not blame you. Now the Imo State people, one of the blame. We know talk say Okorocha is better or Uzodinma is better. All of them, now the same thing. Now the same rope. When tie Okorocha, tie all of them. All the whole governors in Nigeria, they are all criminals. Okay. Former Kaduna Central Senator Shehu Sani has appealed to Niger Delta militant threatening to bomb Lagos and Abuja not to add to the woes of Nigeria. The former lawmaker, who is also a public commentator, made the appeal in a post on his Twitter handle on Wednesday morning. Alright, so when I don't hear waiting, she will say them will say may they not bring too much problem, can't give them more because the problem when they get before say you don't do too much so that the Buhari government will free handle the problem. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, now here we will stop the matter. If you not get anything when I want to talk, we will come to our comment section. Come tell us. And don't forget to subscribe. Good luck everybody and see you guys next time.